We're now continuing to look at the tangent of an angle and how to use that in different types of problems. In this case, we're given an angle, we're given one side, and we want to find the other side. If you notice, this side is directly opposite the angle, and this side right here is adjacent to the angle, so we will be using tangent because tangent is opposite over adjacent. So in this case, we would say tangent of 32 degrees, and then the opposite side is 11, so we would say 11. The adjacent side is x, so it's 11 over x, opposite over adjacent. To solve this, we get x by itself, first by multiplying both sides by x, and doing that, those cancel. Here we get x times tangent 32 degrees, and that's equal to 11. We divide both sides by tangent 32 degrees. And I'm going to need to get out my calculator for this. Give me one sec. One sec, sorry. So we say 11 divided by tangent 32. And we should get 17.6. So those cancel. We get x is equal to, if we round to the nearest tenth, 17.6 degrees. Okay? And again, we're going to use the tangent to find the leg length. It's opposite over adjacent. We plug it in, multiply both sides by x, divide both sides by tangent 32, and we get about 17.6. Here's another example. This one's slightly different from the last one. Again, we're dealing with opposite here, and adjacent is right here. So we're dealing with tangent. So we would say tangent of 70 degrees. And this time, the opposite is h, so we put h here, and we divide that by 40. We're going to multiply both sides by 40. If we do that, the 40s cancel, and here we have h equals whatever that's equal to. Get out our calculator, and we say 40 times tangent 70 degrees. Let me try that one more time. And we get 109.9 inches. Okay? So again, we write it, tangent 70 is opposite over adjacent. We plug in the h and the 40, multiply both sides by 40, and we get our answer, 109.9. So about 110 inches tall. Now we're going to find the tangent of a 60-degree angle. In this case, I'm going to show you what they do. We know that in a 60-degree triangle, we could say that this is 1 and this is square root of 3. Of course, this would be 2. And so if we say tangent of 60 degrees, that's going to equal opposite, which is square root of 3, and adjacent, which is this side, which is 1. So it would be square root of 3, or approximately, I believe that's about 1.7. So let me do that real quick. Yeah, about 1.732, but we'll say 1.7. So it's square root of 3 over 1, square root of 3, so 1.7321. Let's do this one as well, just to get the practice in. Again, opposite is here, so we would say tangent of 61 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 22, adjacent is x, this one right here. Multiply both sides by x. Those cancel. Here we have 22, and here we have x, tangent 61 degrees. Dividing both sides by tangent 61 degrees. Those cancel, and x is approximately 22 divided by tangent 61, which is about 12.2. Here's another one. Again, here's opposite. There's adjacent right there. So we would say tangent of 56 degrees is equal to, in this case, opposite is x, adjacent is 13. We multiply both sides by 13. Those cancel. Here we have x, and on the other side we have 13 times tangent 56, which, if I use my calculator, should be 19.3. And there we go. It says, what if in example 4 the side length of the shorter leg is 5 instead of 1? We want to show that it's still equal to square root of 3. Well, if the shorter leg was 5, then the other leg would be 5 rad 3. So we would get 5 rad 3 over 3, and we would still get rad 3 there. And that's it. Thank you.